FlexiSpan. The FlexiSpan crack repair system is a permanent solution to keep basement wall cracks dry. FlexiSpan eliminates messy, unreliable epoxy or urethane injection. It is revolutionary, permanent, and works every time. The wall crack is sealed with a bead of special, flexible sealant that will slow and, in most cases, stop the flow of water through the crack. A 3.5-inch wide strip of beveled FlexiSpan open cell foam is applied over the sealant and tucked into a waterproofing system like WaterGuard below the floor. The system can also drain into the existing stone aggregate or footing drain under the basement floor. A coat of special sealant is applied over the FlexiSpan foam strip, creating a sealed patch from the top of the crack to the bottom. The beveled foam is a bond breaker and wick between the top coat of sealant and the wall. FlexiSpan wall crack repair system will never crack or leak and can flex as much as 3/4 of an inch as the wall moves in the future.